Don't.
We're good.
Yeah, but what happens if you ride and it munches it? Why'd you take it out?
I don't know. Hell yeah. Okay. We'll do a little intro here. Alright, so here's the deal. Filming?
Yeah.
Alright. So we got the Puch Maxi here, the adventure. It's turned into an adventure bike. It's getting cold here in Pennsylvania. We already had snow, little dustings here and there. We gotta get ready for full out winter. And I'm gonna stud the tires on this Puch. It is equipped with V-rubber studdable moped tires. They have holes in them for studs. So it just has tapped holes in it basically. Some of you that follow me on Instagram may have seen that I put wood screws in at Build and Gather a couple weeks ago in Michigan. They had round heads on them. They worked way better than you would imagine, but this is gonna work better. These are Gold Diggers, the original Gold Series AMA approved ice screws for your ATV or dirt bike.
Gold digger.
That's what I'm calling them because they're gonna bite. I mean, they're basically just wood screws. I believe these are 7/16 wood screws with they have 1/4 inch head.
Hold them super still, yeah.
Okay, so you use a 1/4
Against
inch.
your black hoodie.
You use a 1/4 inch nut driver.
Let me see. Oops, sorry. Look at the spike onto the dish.
But they're like sharpened. I don't know how they do that, but there's well, they're sharp on the end.
It's like a screw with the hole drilled out of the center.
They're also gold, so
Like a little dished.
you know, that has to help.
They're expensive though.
Oh yeah, they are. They're dished out. It's like they hit them
Yeah.
with a drill bit, and that makes the edges really sharp.
How much was that box?
I don't know. I took the
Yeah,
price
you
off.
did.
I don't want to show the viewers what I paid for these at my local motorcycle shop.
They're pretty expensive. It's crazy. You could do like 2 or 3 moped tires with that box, but
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Here's some information. I want to write this on the review. I don't know if anybody gives a shit, but these V-rubber tires, at least the 17-inch ones.
Which ones are they?
They take, I don't know, there's snow tires. Treatland sells them.
Advertised as snow tires.
I've been putting them on everything. Now here's the deal. Yeah, there's one screw in
Oh
there.
yeah, look, they're dimpled already.
Now here's the deal. They take 95 per tire. 95, so you need 190 total. And what do you know? These come with 250. Because it's meant for like one dirt bike tire. That's like one dirt bike tire.
Yeah, I did a front tire, and I used like 3/4 of a box on mine.
You want to show the viewers how we apply?
Yeah, how do you apply it?
All right, so we're using a Craftsman Evolve drill with a 1/4 inch
Nut driver.
socket on nut driver on it, and then real simple, you know, just screw it into your freaking tire. There's already a hole here. Thanks, V-rubber.
Put it on one and let her
just
eat.
kidding.
Put it on one on the tension thing, or like 2.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So you can let her eat.
Well, it'll be more uniform.
Yeah, torque to spec.
This is minimum torque. Whoa,
Oh,
whoa.
it ate it.
Ate it. Yeah, I don't think they have to be in there that
No, they don't. You
I
know, this
had-
has been cool if you could have slapped them off.
I would have liked that. There's not even a speed setting. I was told Craftsman Evolve tools are made with recycled plastic, and that's why they're all gray and cheaper than dirt. Oh,
So you got a little bit to go.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to check back in. But one thing to note about the tread pattern or the stud pattern on this, just again, general observations I've made. It's like every 3 and then a space.
Why?
I don't know. Works out. I think it's so you can buy a pack of Home Depot screws. They come in hundreds, and that'll do your whole tire. It's like they knew. They were like, oh shit, where are you going to find 119 screws or whatever it comes out to if you had every single one studded? I don't know.
Max ran to the motorcycle shop and actually got a bunch of spark plug cable. So I fished it through. I'm figuring out a loop. I gotta get a plug end. And I'm putting that on, and he also got a piece of fuel line for me. So I'm going to figure out how I'm going to route that. And I could technically run this bike tonight. I don't know if I will. I got to grab fuel and finish the headlight, which I'm working on right now. We'll check back in after Smokey has a couple more screws on. Yeah, so Max just remembered that he has to ride this on Monday.
Make sure, guys, make sure if you stud your tires that you don't have to ride your moped on the asphalt anytime soon. Ooh. They come out pretty easily. Idea. They do come out nicely. That's a nice thing. You know, this is a reversible thing. I've seen different ways of studding tires.
Until you muff the lugs all up.
Yeah, they are.
Not on the tires, but on the screw heads of this thing.
Oh, true. Yeah. Won't be able to get a drill. But they also got a flathead slit cutting them. So, you know, worst case scenario, you can get them out.
Yeah, worst case Ontario.
Worst case Ontario, dude. Just for the hell of it.
Really, trust me.
What the world?
Welcome to the great outdoors.
Only a front brake.
Only a front brake.
No back brake.
That's dangerous. Yeah.
That's Delmer's. That's Delmer's bike.
Delmer.
Well, it's way out here.
Get really sketchy.
Because it loses traction and grabs it for a second because it bites into the concrete.
You do got some meats on there though.
Yeah.
You're cutting down the snow out. Yeah, clutch kick it a little harder there. That was a good one.
Like, why it's not running very nice? Right, Dusty? I don't know why. It's like fogging me.
Where's the second gear at?
Scotch tape got to lay it over.
Everyone goes right into the shade part. You can't see them on footage. It's messed up.
I think the car's leaking right now.
That's it? Alright, second gear wheelie, second gear wheelie.
Alright, so we did Legion Christmas last night, which is pretty dope. I got home super late. Also, shout out to Danny. These hoodies are sick. It says Legion to the Black Buffalo on the sleeves. Pretty dope. It's Sunday, and I'm going to wash my truck, and then I have a secret inside the truck that I'm going to pull out. That's going to be the next build, the next series of videos. I'm super hyped on this. So, yeah, I'm going to get my truck washed, get to the shop, and take it from there.
What are you thinking new one, Daddy?
Alright, you ready? Alright, so I just got this 78 DT 175 from Bob Rogers. Alright, so this is the new build. This 78 DT 175. I picked this up from the Philly shop, and they got it from someone else. I'm not sure of the bloodline of this bike. But basically the goal with this project is just going to be a woods beater. I'm going to try to find the original tank and seat. If I can't find the original tank and seat, I'm just going to go with the plastic tank. And it's just going to be a janky dirt bike to rip anytime. I don't think I'm going to make it street legal. I'm just going to make it function as a dirt bike. So these late model Yamahas are pretty sick with the monoshock. I think it's one of the first years they did that on the DT series. Basically, the only thing I have to do is check for spark. It's missing a coil. Once I see if there's spark or not, I'll decide how deep I actually want to go with this bike. If I need to buy like a new ignition or source one out, I don't know. I might not do this bike. But if I can get spark and find a seat and tank really quick, this could be pretty sweet.
Give a little mustache wiggle.
Is the corner store open? You know how you figure things out like Dusty? All I got is 20. I might have change for you. He will though.
Doing dabs.
Yo, it's literally frozen oil.
Well, I wouldn't say frozen oil, but
It's frozen stuff. I know, it just stinks.
yeah, it's down there. Like at the bottom of that.
What about the heat gun? How about that?
It looks like cheesecake.
Does look like a good strawberry cheesecake. It's separating instantly. What was in that pan?
ATF. It's like white cream.
See if you start getting this.
Yamaha motocross suspension. Oh, this is an MX, that's why.
The last couple clips you saw are when we drained the oil. I had this in the back of my truck for a couple days, and all whatever was in this crankcase, it was oil, water, whatever, froze and seized the motor up. It froze all the gears together, but I let it sit overnight in the shop, which is roughly 50 to 65 degrees, and all the oil melted out. All right, so check out the next video. I'm going to check for spark and talk a little bit about the wiring and why this Yamaha is cool. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. What do you think, guys?
Check it out. Yo, look at that. Legion presents Philly Fun Fist 5. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit, look at this. Yo. Legion's having another rally. Yo, I heard those rallies are crazy, man. We gotta go to that one, dude. Knuckles deep, yeah. Philly Fun Fist 5. It says it's at June 22nd to 24th, 2018. Dude, that's coming up. Get your bikes running, man.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like Popeye. Money changing colors like tie-dye. I'm just tryna get it, I ain't tryna die. She got a big ol' on your booty, make the world cry. In the kitchen, wrist twisting like it's stir fry. Hold them bands down, hold your mans down. Who told you come around? It's that trap sound. Designer, clothes,